Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Arngut kihe nong yalam ka Bharatiya Janata Party narilom jaintia bat kontupru ya wei MDC barim ga Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council haka arflaitrik benai risau arjar khatpra kila penyeso no yala de shaka Nationalist People's Party bat kapala pediang buram yaki dau Dr. W.R. Karluki upalong State President ke NPP haka jingyalang kapala long ha office trekam ka party hanong ba Shillong. Kini ki arngut kinong yalam ka BJP ki kintup yu ba ardkar ubabat ya ka kerdan organizing secretary haka party bat uba J.War ubabat ya ka kerdan vice president kat ba ya uniu MDC barim ka sutnga saipung constituency latip kerteng kum uba saibor lang shadap u Dr. W.R. Karluki haba kren hagani ka jingyalang pediang songba yakini ki laingut girang ba ula pentip ru bagi don ka jing ang not bania khun ya ka election MDC ka ban salong house nam arjar khat khandai naga tiket jong ka NPP.
I was the party workers in BJP 2017 till to 2018. So at that time I was the secretary, organizing secretary of BJP district state level. So now I have resigned on this 4th of this October. So because due to my personal reason. So now I want to join in this NPP. I want to join in my planning to contest in this election MDC coming 2019. So according to my decision, I feel that this NPP is growth very faster in the states. So that is why I want to join this NPP, because in comparing with BJP before, I have saw that this BJP has collapsed in the district due to some reason, especially like the communal reason. And now this NPP, I have seen it grow faster, and at the same time CM also in this side. So that's why I want to join this BJP. I want to contest from the Sumer constituency, 26 Sumer constituency.
Ala resign po BJP akar pola akar kontributorik benai Julai arja pra hari nang tang ila syong meeting bat ki nong yalam kejonga bat ki worker hari nang ta artrik benai Ogas arja kanda arja pra katkum kajing ya kelenti iba tik cermang kumu blok presiden yang kasutinga saipung blok akatas ni barok saipung area barok kitu kinong ya tre BJP ngila keliap kelama apok saipung area ni kemiglenti awne arja akat kendai ngadon jimut banjele naka NPP ngadon jingkermen ka ngini tre lang bat ka party bat kina age kinong ilam ka party bat ki paiba ngidon ke jingkermen ngin po siya ka nagaliang jong kumu candidate wala yeng haganega kenti sasisen na karmen scam ba nakaliang ka party ro kan ya tray system lemban nga na karmen scam ba ngan yo ya thong jong ka job but nakaliang jong nga hagini ki kanjet sni bala le no haganega tayo bala la haka sipyo trik jong no banai Oktober ngalarong ngalapenyeso ya de sa kanega party NPP ngai ba kanega party haganega higisni at present haganega por ka kadai ka party ka ba yalam yengi kum ka state ibaro ko way but ya ka district ibaro ko way ngai scam lang ba ka jingi try lang bat ka party bat nga kumu candidate ngai scam mangan yo yang ni ta thong dam jing job
Watla ka United Democratic Party kepada keseng riolom bahedo hajala kalarai ban penbenano haka lifeway terek urisau ya ukurtong jong ka party syaki election MP Lok Sabha arjar khat khandai na Shillong constituency bat penpauru ya ka jing angnot ban penlong ya uni ukurtong kum ukurtong yamon lang jong ka kunhon senrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance nakaliang jong ka Nationalist People's Party kala penpau bakampat ikran setia halor kene ka kam Dr. W.R. Karluki, State President ke NPP, haka jinyalang bat kilat patai kubor, haka arfulaitrik urisau, arjar khatpra, ulai itu baka NPP, shen kan sa syong ya ke jinyalang ban yakren sani halor kene ke jingterwa, kabawan na ke UDP, haka ba onsara yata ya kene kamat, ban seyo, kertong monlang, hapok ke jinyalang jong ke kunhun senrop MDA, balayalam, daka Nationalist People's Party, kabaya trailang bat kiseng riolom, bakentup ya ke UDP, ke PDF, ke HSPDP, bat ki MLA Shimet.
Jaintia Hills district, no? We have already set an election committee headed by Mr. Snyao Bhalang Dhar, who is the minister and then we have the president of both the East and West, and even here in Khasil's district also, we have already set a committee headed by our working president, and then Prestone as members, and then all the district president as members. We are preparing ourselves. We will be calling for application from interested candidates, and at the same time we are determined to this time to form the government by winning the district, forming the government in both the district council by winning on our own. We as a tribe, we have always taught, to respect our elders. Out of respect, we are giving Bak Lapang this post. Not that he's joining the party. Well, Mr. Vincent Pala may have his own opinion. But me, I will still stick to this, that out of respect he was given this post. Maybe for the Congress it has left them to have a different thinking. But for us, there's nothing that is coming or joining the party, but just out of the respect of a person who has been for so long in politics. Whatever service he has done to a state, it is for this reason that he was given this post. And whatever you may say of him, with certain experience, he has knowledge. And I think the government will derive, at least from his advice, I also think